Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, and this is my second tutorial, I'm showing you how to become the Mad Hatter, or at least my version of the Mad Hatter. So if you guys want to see how I did this look, please stay tuned. Hey guys, so jumping right in, I'm going to go ahead and prime my face and then prime my eyebrows and my eyelids. I'm going to list all the products down below. I put a quick screenshot of them while I'm using them. But I'm going to list everything down below for you guys. So I'm just going ahead and priming, and then next I'm going to take my foundation in a color mixer, which is in white, and I'm going to lighten up this foundation to make it even lighter because Mad Hatter is pretty pale, but I didn't want to be as white as he is. I still wanted a little bit of color to my face. So I just lightened up a little bit of my foundation and applied it, and then I'm going to go ahead and powder my face to make sure to set all of that foundation. I did not highlight anything with concealer. You could if you want to, but I didn't feel like it was necessary for me. And then next I'm going to move into the eyebrows. For the eyebrows, I'm using this body paint right here, which is the Mehron Makeup Paradise AQ Body Paint. Paint? So I'm just taking the orange color that's in there, and it's water activated, so I'm just going to take it with this watercolor brush that I picked up from Michael's, which are awesome. I'm actually going to pick up some more. They came in a pack of like 12, so it was a pretty good deal. I'm going to go get some more, but I'm taking orange and this dark brown color from the palette, and I'm just carving out my eyebrows to the shape that I want, and then actually taking concealer and carving out the bottom to make it look nice and clean. Then I'm going to go ahead and blend that out. Taking the Morphe Nikita palette, I'm going to go ahead and start to carve out the contours of my face. So that's going to be my nose area, and I'm putting the purple into my brows. And I'm also going to use this for the contour of my cheeks, jawbone, and I'm going to put it on my lower lid as well because the Mad Hatter has like a purple cast on the bottom of his eyes. So I'm going to go ahead and do all of that and make sure it's blended out, but not too much because I do want it to look a little bit dramatic. Taking the magenta kind of shade, I'm going to go ahead and start to put that on my outer V of my eye and start to blend it a little inwards, and also put it on the inner corner of my eye, sort of like a halo eyeshadow type of look, but it's just going to go on one eye because the other eye is supposed to be blue. At least the images that I saw, it was blue. And I'm going to take the baby pink color and place that right in the center with the same exact brush. So I'm just going to pat that in and blend it. And I'm going to do the same exact technique on the other side, but with the blue color. So I'm going to use the turquoise color for the outer V, blend it inwards, and put it on the inner corner, creating the halo look. And then taking the baby blue color in the palette and placing it in the center. Next, I'm going to take the reddish brown color in the palette and start to apply it to my bottom lid, mostly on the outer portion of my lid. On the blue side, it's supposed to look a little more defined and darker and a little more dragged down. So that's what I tried to do. After this step, I'm going to go ahead and take some white body paint. This is the same exact brand as the palette, except I just have the pans, the individual pan. So I'm going to take some of that. The consistency is very thick, so I didn't add too much water, so that way I could make it a good eyeliner. You don't want it to be too runny. It's going to go all over the place if you add too much water. So I'm going to go ahead and apply it to the top and bottom. Once that dries, I'm going to take the black body paint with a even smaller brush, and I'm going to start to create the little black lines within the white eyeliner, and I'm going to do that on the top and the bottom and do the same exact thing to my other eye. Alright, so I'm just going to coat my lashes top and bottom with some mascara and apply my false lashes offline. You can choose whatever style you want. I chose the more natural style. Next, I'm going to go ahead and apply some lip gloss. This is a Juvia's Place lip gloss. I'll list the color down below. I wanted a muted tone, even though Mad Hatter goes with a magenta color tone, but I did not want that. I wanted something a little more toned down. And then I'm going to get to work on the wig since the makeup look is complete. So I'm going to go ahead and just start teasing it. As you can see, this is my teasing face. So I'm going to continue to tease it until it gets really big and poofy and messy looking. And I'm going to go ahead and put on my hat. This was such a fun look for me to create. I've been wanting to do it for a while and I love the way it came out. It's not, I don't feel as though it's too crazy out there. Like, I feel it's like very cute and wearable. So if you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not. I would love for you guys to be part of the family. And as always, thank you guys for watching. Bye.